Welcome to Chart Traders. Today you will learn alligator indicator, how to trade using alligator indicator, and can alligator strategy make you a profitable trader? Let's find out. So I have opened my Zerodha account. In a Zerodha account, I have opened a Nifty future on a 5-minute chart. Now in order to add alligator indicators, just go to studies and click on alligator indicator. So alligator indicator come with three lines, that is jaw, teeth and lips, and this is the period of moving average. You can change according to your requirement. Okay, it is similar to your moving average. Now alligator is also known as Williams alligator and it is developed by Bill Williams. It is used to find out the trend in the market. So alligator indicator is a trend following indicator and it is used to find out the trend direction in the market. When the price is above this tree line, then the market is in uptrend. When the price is below the trend line or all the alligator line, then it is in a downtrend. Okay, all three lines, that is jaw, teeth and lips, work similar to the mouth of the real life alligator. If jaw, teeth, lips lines are far away from each other like this, then the market to be considered in a trend and you can say that the mouth of the alligator is open and the alligator is awake. Similarly, when the jaw, teeth and lips line are close to each other, then the market is considered to be in a range and you can say that alligator is sleeping since the mouth of alligator is kind of close. So you can easily find out and avoid a range market using alligator indicator. Now we will discuss how to use alligator indicator for trading. So when lips line, that is your green line, crosses your jaw and teeth line, then you have to buy. Okay, or it is considered to be as a buy signal. Similarly, when lips line close your teeth line and jaw line, then it is considered as a sell signal. Now so this is your entry point when your lips line close above your teeth line and jaw line. Same way you can take sell entry when your lips line crosses below your jaw line and teeth line. Now the most of the time alligator indicator gives an entry signal when the price has already made a decent size move. As shown in figure, it is crossing your line, price is already given a huge move. Same way here, it crosses your remaining lips line, crosses your teeth line and jaw line, price is already given a decent move. So you have to make a proper stop loss such that your loss will not be huge, and in order to use a stop loss you can use ATR indicator. The video is already given on my playlist, just watch out that video how to use ATR indicator. With the help of ATR indicator you can keep a stop loss. Okay, now in order to increase your winning chance you have to use multiple time frame. For example, on a daily basis, if your close price is above all the line, okay, then you can make only entry or buy. Whenever your close price is below your three line, then you have to keep only sell order. Okay, so with the help of multi-time analysis you can identify proper entry in terms of buy and sell. For example, from this day, that is on 29 4th, okay, your alligator cross above all the line, so now onwards you have to keep you have to take only buy entry, not sell entry. Okay, so now with the help of multi-time frame analysis you can avoid a fake signal also. If you don't want to do a multi time frame analysis, then you can use a moving average in order to remove fake signal. For example, I am going to use 50-day period. Okay, simple moving average. So when, sorry, I will change the color. So when the price is above the moving average, I will take only buy entry. When the price is below 50-day moving average, then I will take only sell entry. So with the help of alligator indicator and 50-day moving average, you can take buy and sell, and with the help of ATR you can keep a stop loss. Now I am going to backtest this alligator indicator. That is a simple alligator indicator by which has stop loss of 0.5 percentile and target is 1 percentile on a streak. If you don't know what is streak, just watch out my video introduction to streak. The link is given below in the description box. So in a streak, click on strategy, create strategy. Okay, I am going to apply on Nifty future 5-minute chart, buy one lot when our lips line crosses above your alligator teeth line. My stop loss is zero point 0.5 and target is 1. Okay, so it generates 70 signals. Out of 70, 30 wins, 40 loss. Okay, then number of winning streak 3, 5, maximum gate 8,500 per lot, maximum loss per trade that is minus 4,289. If you want to know about this parameter and what do you mean by this parameter, just watch out my video. The link, that is strict parameter, the link is given below in the description box. Now you can even check the trade. Okay, so trade detail is already given. We can cross verify. For example, on 30 April 9:30 signal, that is buy signal around 9809. So on a 30 April, okay, so here 9:30 buy is generated. Okay, and around 9809. So 9809 here. Okay, at this point, because once it is crossed in a next candle, we can identify that the cross happened. Okay, and now you can think about your stop loss, where to put stop loss. So for that you have to use ATR, but in this strategy we are just going to check our simple alligator indicator. I have already made a video that trade setup that we have discussed and backtest 100 times. You can just watch out my video. The link is given below in the description box. And the exit point here is my 0.5 and 1 percentile. Okay, that depends on trend market situation. I have backtested so many algorithms multiple times. You can watch out the accuracy of the different indicator, and you can compare different algorithm or different indicator based on that accuracy, and you can choose your trade setup based on situation. So link is given below in the description box. You can find out. If you like my video, share with others, subscribe to my channel and like. Thank you.